Now the next thing is to allow the user to send the image in a message. So for that purpose, just like we implemented the select file and upload file, in the same way we can now implement the select image and upload image. So copy paste these two methods and then paste it down here, okay, and we will change the name of it to select image, and this one will be upload image. And of course, now from where we will call this, you already know that in our UI where we have this image button, here it is. So in the same way, just like we upload the files, in the same way we can upload the images. So we can call the select image and we will pass nothing to it, okay, select image, remove this parameter from it. And inside the select image, first of all, make sure to change the type to image like this. Once we get that image, we convert that to bytes form and we will assign it to our selected image, which is by the name selected image, this one, okay, selected image. And then we pass this selected image to our method upload image. Okay, let me tell you, first we select the image, we convert that image to bytes form, assigned to our selected image, then we pass that selected image as a parameter to our this uploaded image, and then we have to receive it here just like this. So first we check for the image, we have loading pic. So first we check if the selected image is not equals to null, then simply start uploading. First we create a reference, and inside the database we will save it inside the folder which will be by the name chat images. So then we start uploading the image. When the image is uploaded successfully, we get the download URL. That URL we assign to our controller and we send that in a message. So simple and so easy. One more thing is to remember here is to close the loading once the image is uploaded successfully. So after the if statement, we can simply set this back to false. Similarly, in our upload file, after the if statement, set this back to false. So in this way, first we select the image, then we upload the image, and now comes the loading part. So the loading part, in our user interface, we have to get the conditions. So in here, our buttons, which is file here, okay, the file icon button. For this, you already know we have loading file variable. So if the underscore, if loading file become equals to false, it means the user has not yet clicked this button. That is, we will not display the circular progress indicator, okay. The user has to click on it and choose any file first. Otherwise, okay, if loading file equals to false, then we will display this icon button. Otherwise, else we will display the progress indicator. So we can say const center widget. Let me move this to the next line like this so that we can see it easily, and then we can say child circular progress indicator. Color for this will be default color dot primary color, just like this. Similarly, for the image icon, this is our image icon. So here we will check underscore loading pic. If that is equals to false, then display the icon button. Otherwise, else we can add const center child circular progress indicator with a primary color.